Hi, if I asked you what's the one prayer that the rich pray every day, what are you going to tell me? Think about it. Do they ask for money? Do they pray for opportunities? Do they pray that their debts may be cancelled? Do they pray that things may go more easy for them? What do you think the rich pray every day that you probably aren't praying right now? One prayer that the rich pray every day is that they pray for ideas. The rich pray for ideas. Really, what is an idea? An idea is the tiniest form of a business. An idea is the tiniest form of a product. An idea is the tiniest form of any money making machine. For example, your mobile phone right now was an idea. Your laptop computer was an idea. Your chair you're sitting on, the bed, everything you use or you go purchase right now, the social media platform, YouTube you're using, it was once an idea that somebody had, and once they received that idea in its tiniest form, they could develop it into what it became. So you want more money, you want a better life, you want the financing to do whatsoever you're thinking and dreaming of. But what have you been praying for? Let me guess. A better job, a job with better benefits, a job with increased pay, and a promotion or a bonus. Well, are all these things bad? No. But if you've read this number one personal finance book by Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, you're going to understand that even as good as a job can pay the bills right now, if you want to be rich, if you want to be wealthy, that is not the right prayer to be praying, because what makes wealthy people is the ideas they receive and the ideas they develop. At this point of time, you have no ideas you're working on, and you've been praying for anything else than ideas, then you need to start praying for ideas, because God doesn't give people money, God doesn't give people food. What He gives people is ideas, because we have our brains for that. Your brain is designed to incubate an idea, to incubate a thought, and bring it to the unimaginable possibilities that it could ever become. Every successful person you can think about today are successful as a result of an idea. They had an idea, they thought of something, they developed that idea, they produce a product, they produce a service, and people come to pay for that idea. Even in scripture, you see it says that God gives seed to the sower. An idea is like a seed, and once you take that seed and you plant it, you begin to develop it, you begin to work on it. Once it becomes a full-fledged product or a service, you see, and it's solving a problem, people begin to bring their money to you so that they can benefit from that idea that you received and you've developed. So think about it. Microsoft, Apple, iPhone, the Mac, Facebook, Snapchat, all these things we run after, we spend much of our time on it, and we're giving these people billions in dollars. All these were ideas. So if I ask you, what is your idea? What is your idea? What are you incubating? An idea is like your baby, once you pray for it and you receive ideas, it's like a baby in your womb. You need to incubate it, you need to cultivate it, you need to bring it up. So, and don't just think this idea thing making people wealthy is something of today. If you even go back in scripture, for example, Jacob, who through just one idea could determine the color of the sheep his flock was going to produce, and developing that idea, he could create a certain type of color of sheep and made himself very wealthy from that genetic engineering idea. So the question comes back, what is your idea? What are you incubating as an idea? Dr. Myles Munroe says money follows ideas. So if you have an idea, the chair you're sitting on, the bed you're in, the books you read, whatsoever you pay your money for, whatsoever service, a restaurant, a hotel, all of those were before someone's idea. One more thing, if this has been making you thinking, and you're remembering some ideas you had in the past year, in the past years, and you never did anything about you, at least money follows ideas, but not literally. People don't come to pay for what you're thinking as a solution to the problem until you incubate that idea, you develop that idea, and you produce the result of that idea. You don't get baby showers and baby gifts for a baby that is still in the womb. You must bring and nurture that baby until when you put forth the baby, then people come to rejoice with you. So your idea is your baby. If you have received an idea already, begin to cultivate it, begin to draw a plan that is going to help you bring that idea to fruition, and you stop at nothing but working on it, because that is where your money lies, that is where the wealth lies, not in a job, not in anything, but in ideas. Develop your ideas. If you don't have ideas, start praying today for ideas. Every day you wake up, ask God, bless me with ideas, show me solutions to the problems around me. And I believe you, if you do that believing, soon you will start seeing things you were not seeing before. In my next video, I hope to share what you do after you receive an idea. But I would like you to share in the comments below what you think about this. What do you think the rich pray? If you disagree with me, have you been praying for ideas? What are the ideas you have received so far? What are the challenges you have faced in developing those ideas? Are you the type of person, some people will receive ideas, we never do anything about it, and before you realize it, your neighbor is doing something about it? And that is a very funny fact. You know, you're thinking about something and you're like, wow, this is gonna make me rich, and I'm the first person of thinking about it. And then you go online, Google, and you see a young guy somewhere across the globe is already developing that idea and is already making money out of it. And you're like, what? I thought I was the first I tell about this. But that is the point, okay? You can have ideas and you stop them. They don't belong to you, because as long as a problem is there, anyone who's interested to solve it has access to the idea from God. So if you have received ideas, don't wait. Wake up, start working on them, start pursuing them, get a strategy, read, research, and work to bring your baby to life. And that is how you can escape any rat race or financial struggles. And that is your access to money and wealth. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video. I'm Bodas Djoumessi from Wisdom for Dominion, and we are here to help you discover your hidden potential and become yourself. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Ideas.